Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Mosam. In this video we're going to talk about conditions in Python. Ever wonder how programs make decisions, like a traffic light deciding when to go green or your phone unlocking when it recognizes your face? That's all thanks to conditions. In Python, conditions are like powerful gatekeepers, allowing your code to execute specific conditions only when certain criteria are met. Let's start with the if statement. So let's assume that we're living in a certain country which says if you want to drive a car, you have to be 18 or above. So let's create a system which checks a condition of someone to be eligible to drive. Let's run our program. So now it's saying you can drive a car. Here, if the age variable is 18 or greater, the message you can drive a car is printed. Notice the colon after the condition and the indentation for the code block. You see here, if age, we have a colon here, and they have indented print statement is here. So let's see if age is less than 18. Let's put 17. See, it has printed nothing. That means the condition has not been met. If the condition has been met, like here, age having age 20, you see that it will print something. So you can drive a car. Let's think if the condition is false, like having age 17. So when the condition is false, that's where the else statement comes in. It provides an alternative path for your program. For example, if the age isn't 18, that means someone can drive a car in that country. So let's put the else statement. Let's run our program and see the result. You see, you are not eligible to drive a car just because the age is under 18. But if you go to age again above 18 or 18, you see that eligible to drive a car. You can drive a car. So here, the else statements executes only if the statement is false. That's the age is under 18. What if you have more than two possibilities? That's when Elif, short for else if, becomes your best friend. It allows you to check multiple conditions in sequence. For example, if you want to check the grades, if someone has 90, we should say that has grade A. If someone has 80, we should say grade B. So now let's run our program. You see now when you have 85, it says that is grade B. Let's put 60. Succeeded says that is grade F. Let's put 70. 70 says that is grade C. So that's how conditional statements works in Python. Thanks guys for being with me in this video. See you in the next video.